Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to add multiple websites to your Facebook page using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can easily showcase all your important links right on your Facebook page. First, open your favorite browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select the page you want to update. This will take you directly to your page's main view. Now, look for the About section. It's usually found on the left side menu, or just below your page's cover photo. Click on About to access all your page details. Next, scroll down until you find the Website section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Add Website. A new field will appear for you to type or paste your website link. Enter your first website and make sure the address is correct. But what if you have more than one website to share? No problem. Right below the first website field, you'll see an option to add a website again. Click on it, and another field will appear. Enter your second website link. You can repeat this step for as many websites as you need to add. Once you've entered all your website links, don't forget the most important part. Click Save. This will update your page and display all your websites for your visitors to see. That's it. Now your Facebook page is updated with multiple website links, making it easier for your audience to find you everywhere you are online. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and good luck updating your page.